Hi everybody, my name is Hunter with Enabled, and today I'm going to show you another voice skill with Airtable. So here we have the architectural project tracker. This is the same table that we used in a previous video, except here we're going to use the drawing list table. Essentially, in like an engineering firm, for example, you will have a drawing list that will tell you a drawing name, a description. You'll have the images, so typically a PDF, showing what the technical drawing is. And that's essentially what we're going to show with Airtable, except today we can bring up the PDF so we can view it on our voice assistant device, as well as change the status here too. So let's begin. Alexa, open architectural project.
What table do you wish to enable?
Drawing list.
When you are ready, let me know what action you wish to do next.
Open S1000.
Do you want to update the status or consultant tasks?
Status.
Change the progress status to do, in progress, or done.
Done.
Status has been updated for S1000.
So here you can see on the device, the PDF is showing up on our Echo Show 5. And as you know, Echo Show 5s are kind of small. I mean, they're about like yay big. And you can use this also on a bigger Alexa device, one that is, about the size of a monitor, as well as bringing it up on a TV. This is useful in ways in which, like, if you're in a meeting and you're trying to bring up various drawings to look at and check and make sure that the information on that drawing is correct, then you can bring them up through the voice assistant device instead of having to click through folder and go through 1,000 different files just to find and check this one drawing. So it's definitely a way to save time, which in results for a business would save some money too. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to showing you more videos with Alexa.